How to create an Old Navy account. So if you want to create an Old Navy account, then first of all you have to open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. I'm here with Google Chrome browser. And now on the search bar you have to search for Old Navy. And after searching you can go to the first search. And now if you want to create an Old Navy account, then you can go to the upper right corner which says sign in. You can click on sign in, and again you can click on sign in. And now to sign in or to join, first you have to enter your email address, and after entering your email address you have to click on continue. So now to create your account, first you have to enter your first and last name, and after entering your first and last name you have to create a password. So make sure your password includes 8 to 24 characters and a lowercase letter, an uppercase letter, a number, and a special character. And after entering your information you can scroll down, and here you have to enter your phone number, but this one is optional, you can skip that part. And after entering your information you can click on create account. And that's it. That's how you create an Old Navy account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.